Something is happening in the Western Cape that I want people of the Western Cape, not just Cape Town, because the DA think the Western Cape is Cape Town. No, Western Cape is way, way bigger than Cape Town. I just want to inform you that your beloved DA is selling off land to foreign investors. Here's the funniest part. No average colored or black person can afford those houses. And it's happening all over the Western Cape. There's people of Belgium, France, Europe, all of them are coming here. Prices? 3 million, 2 million, 1.9, 1.2 was the lowest that I saw. Now, can any South African purchase these houses? Of course not. And when your boss says to you at work, but it's good, it's work coming in for us, it's work coming in for them, not for you. Because remember, the DA is against minimum wage. And when those people are here, do you know what's going to happen to your local market? Inflation of prices. Then you won't be able to buy Fokker with that money because you won't be able to afford it.